Marsh School is closed, power outage, City Hall closed, power outage. Of more immediate concern, obviously, is the power situation for our citizens. We do have outages throughout the city, not on any consistent basis, but the outages are citywide. We have some concerns about the location where we're at, which is a typical spot where we have problems with the spigot.
Methuen Village, the water is going in underneath the building and then coming out on the other side because that's how they designed it. They designed it on a pitcher's mound. They've got big tubes underneath their building, and so when the water rises and it comes and gets into their parking lot, it goes underneath the building and comes out the other side.